College Bonifibro, a list of qualified candidates for the personal interview regarding the post of analyst and forecaster consultant, one post under Meghalaya Medical Drug and Services (MMDSL) to be held on 27 July 2024 from 11 a.m. onward at the following address: Office of the National Health Mission, Department of Health and Family Welfare, DHS Complex, New Colony, Lai Kra, Shillong, Nyok Nai Lai Not Lai, Meghalaya. Please note registration is open only from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. The second mau kini ki qualified candidate, name of the applicant, kin second mau ekapor, badega address. Name of the applicant: Albert Terry Nongrom, Damon Lang Kharsati, Dr. Mary Sipasa, Everly Marwen, Halari Angelin Karpor, Yaine Par Khongwer, John Miller Saukmi, Kinteulang Mukim, MD Nazim Hamid Islam, Ratandas, Tangkam di Marak. Ditanggi ni gini tip, College Bon.